Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, a school district is forming a committee and we have 15% of the committee is parents, 45% are teachers, 25% are administrators, and the remaining 6 individuals are students. So if we're told that 15%, 45%, and 25% make up the other two groups, what percent of the committee is students? Well, it's 100%, which is everybody, minus these 3 values is going to give you this value. So you take everybody, you subtract the teachers, or you subtract the parents, you subtract the teachers, you subtract the administrators, you get 100% minus 15% minus 45% minus 25%. You're left with the students, which is 15%. So from here, we know that 15% is the students. So 15% of the total is students, which we're told there are 6 of them. So what does 15% mean? Well, a percent is just a number out of 100. So this is 15 out of 100. So we have 15 over 100 times the total is equal to 6. And then to get rid of the coefficient, we multiply by 100 over 15 on both sides. 100s cancel, 15s cancel. We get the total is equal to 6 times 100 divided by 15 is equal to 6 times 100 is 600 over 15 is equal to 40, or you just plug it into your calculator. It's probably easier. So there are 40 people on the committee, and we're asked how many more teachers were invited to join than administrators. So the difference between these two groups is going to be 45% minus 25%. Right? This is how many more teachers there were than administrators. How much bigger is 45% than 25%? Well, it's 20% more. And we're taking 20% of the total, 20% of 40. Again, 20%, a percent is a number out of 100, so we have 20 out of 100. Which is 1 out of 5, right? If you're taking a fraction and you divide both sides by the same number, divide the numerator by 20, you get 1. Divide the denominator by 20, you get 5. So we have 1/5 of 40. 1 times 40 is 40 over 5. 40 divided by 5 is 8. There were 8 more teachers invited to join the committee than school and district administrators. 8 is your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.